from it, biodiversity protection, water and everything else, to expect that we'll find enough space to deal with this problem, I think is going to be quite problematic. But if we look offshore, we see a solution where there's already an existing industry and where there's a clearer way forward. The oceans cover about 70% of our planet. They play a really big role in regulating our climate, and if we can enhance the growth of seaweed in them, we can use them, I think, to develop a climate-altering crop. There are so many different kinds of seaweed. There's unbelievable genetic diversity in seaweed, and they're very ancient. They were some of the first multicellular organisms ever to evolve. People are using special kinds of seaweed now for particular purposes, like developing very high-quality pharmaceutical products. But you can also use seaweed to take a seaweed bath. It's supposed to be good for your skin. I can't testify to that, but you can do it. The scalability is the big thing about seaweed farming. You know, if we could cover 9% of the world's ocean in seaweed farms, we could draw down the equivalent of all of the greenhouse gases we put up in any one year, more than 50 gigatons. Now, I thought that was fantastic when I first read it. I thought I'd better calculate how big 9% of the world's oceans is. It turns out it's about 4.5 Australias, the place I live in. And how close are we to that at the moment? How many ocean-going seaweed farms do we actually have out there? 0. But we do have some prototypes.